Hi, my name is Chad Detchen, and I'm the Assistant Director of the Wolak Learning Center, which is located on the second floor of the library. If you're a new instructor, welcome to Southern New Hampshire University. If you're a returning instructor, welcome back. This video is to go over the steps that you can take to make an academic referral for a student who is in your class who's struggling academically. The first thing you're going to want to do is to gather information on that student. So you're going to want to know what the student's SNHU email address is and what their ID number is. And in order to do that, you can select Tools in Brightspace and select Class List. From there, you're going to scroll down and you're going to find the student who you want to make a referral on. You're going to find their email address, their ID number, and then you're going to scroll back up and select Academic Support. And the first drop down is Refer a Student, so you're going to select that. And this process is usually pretty quick. There's just a few prompts that you have to fill out. You're going to fill out the student's name, their SNHU email address, and their SNHU student ID number. Then you're going to select a reason for your referral, whether it's a low concern. It could be just maybe they missed a homework assignment, they might have missed a class, they're not really that engaged in your class in the beginning of the semester. A moderate concern could be missing multiple assignments. They have a low assessment score, whether that's a quiz, a test, a paper, or the student is having difficulty understanding the course material in your class. A high concern, which would be missing multiple assignments, multiple classes, and there's a lot of factors potentially that could be going on that's impacting their work. Once you select low, moderate, or high concern, you're then just going to provide any further details that could help us assist with this student. Once you have filled out everything here, you're going to select this blue button, and that is going to go to us. So your job is done, but what we're going to do on our end is we are going to reach out to the student, and we are also going to CC you on that communication. So ultimately, you're going to know where the referral went and what the end result was with that referral. Associated with this module, there should be a flyer highlighting our services in the Wolak Learning Center, and also provides our contact information. So if you have any questions about this process or any of our services that we offer, please don't hesitate to email us or also stop by the Learning Center on the second floor of the library. On behalf of the Wolak Learning Center, we hope you have a great semester.